Hello everyone, today we will introduce the Road Auto Facility function under the Road Scene module. This function traverses the point vector layers in the project and automatically generates road facility models in bulk according to specific rules. The vector layer must contain the height field and M-code field, while the tree layer can optionally use the crown diameter field. M-code refers to the model symbol code corresponding to the vector. Height indicates the absolute height to which the model will be scaled. Crown diameter refers to the horizontal scaling parameter for trees. Upon clicking the Road Auto Facility function, an interactive dialog box will pop up. The dialog box records the name of the vector layer, the number of vector elements contained in the layer, and a progress bar that displays the modeling status. You can select the vector layers to be modeled by checking the checkboxes. Click the Generate button and wait for the process to complete. A new facility layer corresponding to the selected options will be generated under the road scene in the directory tree. That concludes the introduction to the Road Auto Facility feature. Thank you for watching.